A snake entered a carpentry shop. As it crawled across the floor, it accidentally slithered over a saw and got a small. Thinking it was being attacked, the snake turned around and bit the saw hard. This caused its mouth to bleed. Angry and blinded by rage, the snake decided to strangle the enemy. It wrapped its body tightly around the sharp blade. The harder it squeezed, the deeper the saw cut into its body. The next morning, the carpenter found the dead snake wrapped around the saw. The snake was not killed by the saw. It was killed by its own anger. Now let's learn some useful words from this story. The first word is carpentry shop. This means a place where things are made from wood. The second word is slithered, to move smoothly over a surface like a snake. For example, the snake slithered across the floor. The third word is strangle, to squeeze the neck or body tightly. For example, the snake tried to strangle the saw. The fourth word is rage. This means uncontrollable anger. For example, he was blinded by rage. This story teaches us a powerful lesson. Sometimes we react in anger, thinking we are hurting those who hurt us. But in reality, we are only hurting ourselves. Holding on to anger is like grasping a hot coal with the intent of throwing it at someone else. You are the one who gets burned. Let go of hate before it destroys you.